Follow me, you little bitch. Come on. Busted up old sack of potatoes. Let's go. Morning. Never know how to start these things. If I posted the other video yet, I'm not sure if this one's coming out first or the other one. This truck's in it. This is our donor truck. We've got two other OBS Chevys that need parts. This one's full of parts, doesn't run. Can't be, I can't license it here in my province without going through a safety, and it's fucked. It'll never pass a safety without thousands of dollars in repairs. So she's gonna disappear part by part. We'll have a quick look. Already went over it in the other video. We'll have a quick 30-second look at this one now, and we'll go from there. Okay, front fenders beat up, clips all off, the parts are missing off the back. Somebody's taken most of the distributor. More rust holes, scratched the shit. This thing lived a hard life. Hood's all dented in. Something fell on it or scraped down it. Doors dented in. More rust on the cab. Box, rust. Would have been a nice truck at one time with the chrome package and everything. Bunch of dents along here. Fuel tank is in the box. Don't know how much snow and water's gotten into that. Tailgate is the nicest thing on this truck, other than that bumper. Bumpers could be cleaned up, but it looks okay. More scratches, like it was just driven through the bush on a daily basis. More dents. Maybe this guy owned a bunch of buffalo. You know what? The glass is nice. It has glass. Looks like it almost got taken out with that one. Both mirrors are broke. Yeah, there you go. I already sold the seats, other than the back one. No, the guy didn't want the back seat. So those are gone. Got an extra radio. Factory radio, extra radio up there, steering column, yada yada yada. I think most of the junk will go in the cab, and the cab will eventually go bye-bye. I might, for shits and giggles, try and fix the box, fix the front clip, fenders anyway. Rear bumper can go on that, one of the other trucks we got here. I need the transmission, I need the wiring harness. So currently we'll not be able to do a will it run on this motor. Maybe at a later date. We'll save it. We're not going to get rid of it unless somebody comes along and wants to give me, I don't know, what's an unlooked at Vortec engine worth. You don't know if it runs and doesn't have a wiring harness to test it. Whatever that is worth, that's what I'll sell this for. Or else it'll be in a future video. Okay. Gonna start at the back end, getting that box off, and we'll go from there. So we'll have the tail lights, or the wiring for the tail lights. Filler neck, which might be off, I don't know, we'll have a look, because the tank's in the back, and bed bolts, and that should be it. Should be easy peasy. Filler necks removed. Perfect. Got a couple tail lips removed. Our bolts for our bed are in the wheel well. Two there, on either side of the tire, and same on the other side, so should be 8. Zip them out and we should be on the loose. You know what? I don't got a gas tank down there. So how about we quit dicking around and get the plasma cutter and just cut them bolts off. And that will be the end of that. I went ahead and did the passenger side without you. That one's all the way through. It's just stuck on the inside of the frame. And then I realized I gotta go under here. Whoa, come on, light. Here we go. Very front. Very front. Come on. There. Very, very front of the box. There's in between the box and the cab. There's that bolt there. I'm sure there's one on the other side. I don't know if there's any at the back, but I'm gonna get up off the floor here and go have a look. I was just under the truck on the driver's side checking out that same bolt at the box there. Look at this, there's a hole here. That's not the cool part, just a second. There we go, don't mind the strap. It's from the gas tank. Come on, focus, my friend. It's there. That's the back of the cab. Something came out the back of the cab. Yeah, I hit my finger with a hammer. Came through the bed rail here. What do you think that was? Maybe a hunter had a boo-boo with his rifle in the truck? That's what it looks like to me. Yeah. Betcha somebody's ears were ringing. Hi all. So I was editing the video, and then I realized, holy shit, where that strap was and where the bullet hole is. Maybe the reason the tank is out is they shot a fucking hole in the tank. And I come out here all in excitement after I got out of the shower. Saw this tape on here. I was like, that's it, that's what they did. No, unfortunately, it would appear that either they stole their own gas or someone stole their gas. And so they took the fuel tank out. I really wish that was a bullet hole. That would have been hilarious. I guess I should say. Or they drilled a hole because it was full of gas and they didn't know how to get it out, so they just drilled it and tried to save the gas so that they could fix the pump if the pump was the problem, if that's what they thought, and then they ended up just throwing it in the back of the truck. Who knows? Who knows? Okay. A little out of breath, but it's disconnected everywhere. There's that one mount you can see. The other side. There's actually 4 on each side. So what's that? Eight bolts on each side, not 8 in total. My friend lied to me. Anyway, I could use a friend right about now to help lift this damn thing off here, but might have to break out the 4450 John Deere. Might be an after lunch problem. I'm getting hungry. Well, the afternoon turned into a phone call. Got to go pick up a couple pigs from the butcher. That turned into having to get the girls to dance, which turned into getting home late, which turned into me asking the oldest boy to help me strong arm this box off here. I got everything unattached. So we did that, threw it on a trailer. Told the rest of the truck out here in the middle of the grass. I'm sure I'll be in trouble tomorrow. The dog seems to approve. Hey, Luce. You gonna protect this prized gem out here? Yeah. The next youngest kid needs the shop. He's got a bunch of repairs to do to his own truck, and it's gonna be the weekend here soon. So here we are. Box is off. The stripping job started. It starts again. Probably get the front clip all taken off. Hood, doors. Move the cab off. Steal the glass. Now we got cats in here. Goddamn raccoon. What? Boo boo, what are you doing? Yeah, go find a mouse or something. Anyway, I gotta go clean up in the shop. So that's gonna have to do it. Wish I would have got more of it taken apart, but I guess feeding the family and getting kids to their own activities is important. Anyway, thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, all that stuff. Till next time, later. Funny side note, we're about to get the box off, we're about to pull the truck out of the shop. Kid says to me, "Hey, I saw your YouTube videos," because I don't tell anybody that I do these. I said, "Oh yeah." He's like, "Yeah, you got over 2,000 views in 2 days." I was like, "Yeah, I thought this was pretty good." He's like, "Not really." Sorry, I'm not Mr. Beast. Fuck.